Hari Om, Namaskar, and welcome back to Sakalya. Our last minor pranayama in this series is bird pranayama. As the name suggests, in bird pranayama, we move our hands up and down, just like birds flap their wings while flying. There are two versions of this practice. In the first version, sit in Vajrasan with your palms on the mat beside your shin. Close your eyes. Use Ujjayi breathe throughout. Inhale deeply while raising your hands to steeple position. Then exhale fully by bringing them down. This can be repeated 50 to even 100 times at a steady pace. In the second version, again sitting in Vajrasan with palms beside the shin, we close our eyes, use Ujjayi breath. Inhale deeply while raising your hands to the steeple position for a count of 6. Hold the breath and the position for a count of 4. Then exhale completely while lowering the hands for a count of 8. Hold your breath with palms on the mat for a count of 2. Repeat this steadily for 8 to 10 rounds. This pranayama maximizes the lung efficiency, but those with shoulder pain or any other heart issue should avoid. That's the end of our pranayama series. Keep practicing. See you in my next video. Namaskar.